Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This channel is exclusively for learning chemistry. So if you like my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. And let us start with our today's topic. Hello everyone, today we'll study preparation of carboxylic acids. So we have studied about two methods. Now we will move forward to some more methods of preparation of carboxylic acids. So first we will start with nitriles and amides. So how we produce carboxylic acids from nitriles. So nitriles have formula RCN. Okay, so RCN is the general formula for nitrile. So if we add H plus or OH negative, that is H plus or OH negative as catalyst, then what will happen? You will get amide from it. So you will get your corresponding amide, that is RCONH2, right? So this is your amide. Now what will happen if you add again your H plus or OH negative and heat it, then what will you get if you add again H plus or OH negative and heat the reaction? Then you will get your carboxylic acid, right? So now you will get your carboxylic acid. So this is the procedure of preparing carboxylic acid from your nitrile. So here when you change nitrile to amide, what will happen? You will take, if you take mild condition also, your reaction will stop at amide position. So you can take mild condition, like you can add water to it. And catalyst is H plus or OH negative. And here if you heat the solution, then you will get your carboxylic acid. Now if you want directly from amide, you want your carboxylic acid, then what can you take? You will take your amide and add acid H3O plus and heat it. So you will get your carboxylic acid. So this is the way to produce your carboxylic acid, and here in this method the number of carbon atoms remains the same, because here also the number of the carbon atom will be same as your product. The next method is preparation of carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. So from Grignard reagent, the number of carbon atom will increase. So one carbon atom will increase in the product as compared to reactant, but here the number of carbon atom will remain same. So this is the difference. So this difference will be used or will be taken in mind while performing the transformation reactions, so which we will discuss later. So now we will see the method of preparation of carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagent is RMGX. So when you add CO2, carbon dioxide, to it in the presence of dry ether, then what will you get? Here the alkyl group will attach to the carbon atom, and your MgX group will attach to the oxygen atom. So you will get product like RC double bond O, OMgX, right? Because the alkyl group is attached to the carbon and your MgX is attached to oxygen atom. So this is the product you will get. Then what will happen if you add H3O plus? Then this proton will get attached to the oxygen atom and MgX will be removed. So what will you get now? You will get your OH here, that is, this is your carboxylic acid. So this is your final product. So this is the way of producing carboxylic acid from your Grignard reagent. First add CO2 in the presence of dry ether to get your product RCOOMgX. Then add H3O plus to get your corresponding carboxylic acid. So here you can see that here there was alkyl group only, but here one carbon atom is added along with the alkyl group. So the number of carbon atom in the product have been increased. So this is the difference between this method and the previous method. Now we will see some transformation reactions, some examples, so that you are clear with the preparation methods. So we have to transform benzyl alcohol to phenyl ethanoic acid. So this is your benzyl alcohol, that is C6H5CH2OH, and this is your phenyl ethanoic acid, phenyl ethanoic acid, C6H5CH2COH. So what strategy can we apply? So we have today we have studied two methods, that is from nitriles and from Grignard reagent. So we can do one thing. First we can change it into bromide. So for that we can add what? We can add HBr. Okay. So if we want to apply the nitrile method, so first we have to change it into nitrile or cyanide. So for that, first change it into bromide. So for bromide I am adding HBr. So you will get what? C6H5CH2Br. Okay. So this is your benzyl bromide. Then what can you do? Then you can add KCN to it. So you can add KCN. And what will you get? You will get your corresponding nitrile. So you will get what? C6H5CH2CN. So this is your corresponding nitrile. Now you can apply your nitrile method, which we have just studied. So for that, what you will do? You will change it this to first amide and then amide to acid. So for changing it to the amide, what will you do? You will add H plus or OH negative as catalyst in the presence of water. So you will add H plus or OH negative and in the presence of water, right? So you will get what? You will get your amide first, C6H5CH2CONH2. So this is your amide. Then what will you do? From amide, how will you get carboxylic acid? By adding H3O plus and heating. H3O plus and heating. So this amide group will change into carboxylic acid group. So you will get your final product as C6H5CH2COOH. So this is how we have changed benzyl alcohol to phenyl ethanoic acid. So for that you have to know or you have to keep in mind that what all changes you have to do. One more transformation reaction is there in which we have to use the second method, that is from Grignard reagent. So this is the transformation from 3-nitro-bromobenzene to 3-nitro-benzoic acid. So this is your 3-nitro-bromobenzene, 3-nitro-bromobenzene. Because at third position there is nitro group and at first position there is bromo, and this is benzene ring, and this is 3-nitro-benzoic acid. So this is 3-nitro-benzoic acid. Okay, and you have to transform it this to this. So first this is your bromide. So first change it into what? Grignard reagent. So how will you change? You can add magnesium in the presence of dry ether. So first you will add magnesium in the presence of dry ether. So this will be changed into what? Grignard reagent. So you will get what? You will get your Grignard reagent, that is benzene ring, NO2, and here MgBr. Okay, so this is your Grignard reagent. Now you can apply your method which we have just now studied, that to the Grignard reagent add CO2, that is dry ice. Okay, and what will you get now? This group will be attached to the carbon atom and this MgBr will attach to oxygen atom. So you will get what? You will get C double bond O, and here MgBr will be attached to the oxygen atom. So OMgBr, right? So this is your intermediate, and then what will you do? You will add your H3O+. Here dry ether will be also added, CO2 in the presence of dry ether. Then from this to get your carboxylic acid, you have to add your proton, that is H3O+. So you will get your carboxylic acid because this proton will be attached in the place of MgBr. MgBr will be removed and here you will get your carboxylic acid, 3-nitrobenzoic acid. So this is how you have transformed this to this. So first you have added magnesium in the presence of dry ether to get your Grignard reagent. Then you have added CO2 in the presence of dry ether to get your product as here NO2 group is also there. And then you have added H3O+ to get your corresponding carboxylic acid. Okay. So this is how we have transformed. So you can see that here number of carbon atom were 6, but here there are one more carbon atom. So there are 7 carbon atoms. Okay. So today also we have studied 2 methods of preparation of carboxylic acid. So in the next class also we will learn some more methods of preparation of carboxylic acids. So I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you.